Mastering your guitar. Clean the Fretboard explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very specific but crucial part of maintaining your guitar: cleaning the fretboard. For those of you learning English, this phrase might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Understanding this will not only help you take better care of your instrument but also give you insight into common English terminology used by musicians. The fretboard is the part of the guitar where you press down the strings to change the pitch of the notes you're playing. It's a thin, long strip of wood on the neck of the guitar, marked by metal strips called frets. The condition of the fretboard can significantly affect the sound quality and playability of your guitar. Over time, the fretboard can collect dirt, oil from your fingers, and dust, making it sticky and uncomfortable to play. This not only affects the guitar's performance but can also damage the wood. Cleaning the fretboard regularly helps to maintain the guitar's overall health and ensures a smoother playing experience. 1. Preparation. Remove all the strings from your guitar to expose the entire fretboard. This makes it easier to clean every nook and cranny. 2. Choosing the right materials. Use a soft cloth and a specialized fretboard cleaner or conditioner. Avoid using water or harsh chemicals that can damage the wood. 3. The cleaning process. Gently wipe the fretboard with the cloth, paying extra attention to the areas around the frets where dirt accumulates the most. For tougher grime, you might need to use a soft toothbrush or a special fretboard cleaning tool. 4. Conditioning. After cleaning, applying a conditioner helps keep the wood from drying out and cracking. It also makes the fretboard look shiny and new. 5. Restringing. Once the fretboard is clean and dry, you can restring your guitar. Cleaning the fretboard is an essential part of guitar maintenance that not only keeps your instrument in good condition but also enhances your playing experience. We hope this video has been informative and helpful, especially for those of you learning English and wanting to combine it with your passion for music. Keep practicing, and don't forget to take care of your guitar. See you in the next video.